Okay, so the first part of understanding this problem is to realize that where the first derivative is positive, it's going upwards, and where the first derivative is negative, it's going downwards, to the right. Where the second derivative is positive, it's part of concave up. Where the second derivative is negative, it's part of concave down. And let's identify with each one whether it's concave up, concave down, increasing or decreasing. First of all, A is going down, but A is concave upward. So the first derivative is negative, and the second derivative is positive. At B, the first derivative is positive, and the second derivative is also positive. At C, the first derivative is positive, but the second derivative is negative. At D, the first derivative is positive, is 0, and the second derivative is negative. And at E, the first derivative is negative, but the second derivative is also negative. So, to recap, at A, the first is neg, and the second is pos. At B, they're both pos. At C, the first is positive, but the second is negative. At D, the first is 0, but the second is negative. And at E, the first is negative, and the second is also negative. So use that information to answer the questions on all of these before. All this information was in the other problems, just like what we did if you'd watched the video, but I think oftentimes people just keep clicking on it until they finally click the right answer, until they get something like this. Hope it helps, and I missed you this afternoon in class.